All right, so let's talk about week 3, what we have going on. By now, you've pretty well settled into the routine of the course. This week is focusing especially on aggression, collective behavior. So, as a fan base, the ways that the social group impacts aggression. We're also going to be looking at sort of the psychological factors and what maybe drives the individual toward aggression, or maybe sort of the underlying root causes of aggression, if you want to think of it that way. So we have 5 readings for this week, and it's actually boiled into 4 lectures for the week. So it isn't necessarily one lecture per reading. A lot of them have some overlapping concepts. So when you're going through the readings, obviously you read them individually. When you're watching the lectures, you're going to be seeing that a lot of the concepts are feeding into a lecture on psychology and aggression or sociology and aggression. And then we have the hooliganism article and the sports ritualization article as sort of standalone lectures. So the in terms of the schedule of it, it's very much the same as the first couple of weeks have been. The weekend through Tuesday, spend the time reading and writing your reaction post. Tuesday through Thursday, watch the lectures and take on the discussion post. The discussion post will have sort of a larger, a little bit more of an in-depth assignment tied in with it. So discussion item 2, I believe is what it is, really focuses in on sociology or social psychology and aggression, and sort of dissecting what happened at Malice at the Palace, so sort of an infamous moment in NBA history and sports fan aggression history, where the NBA players were fighting the consumer or punching the consumer. They went into the crowd and started taking on fans. A really dark moment in NBA history. So have fun with that. That's Tuesday through Thursday. You'll watch the lectures and do the discussion post. Friday, of course, is your application post due. So in some ways, it's going to be kind of a standard week. In other ways, it'll be a little bit different in terms of that discussion post. Also this week, start thinking about the final paper. If you haven't already done so, go and review the guidelines for the final paper and review sort of what I'm looking for. Boiling it down, it's really about a specific fan base and applying some specific theories from throughout the semester. And that's it for the week. So again, generally speaking, a pretty standard week. You hopefully have the routine down by now. So it should be pretty well set, following the same routine with a little bit of nuance in there. Good luck.